Today we're going to talk about the fact that each of us, regardless of our experience or financial status, make financial mistakes. These mistakes can be small or large, but they teach us valuable lessons about finances and help us grow. In this video, we'll look at some of the most common financial mistakes so you can avoid them and build a more stable financial future. Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Importance of Correcting Financial Mistakes. 1. Learning from your own mistakes is costly. Each of us makes financial mistakes in our lives. Some of them can have serious financial consequences. Discussing our mistakes and the lessons we learn from them can help others avoid making the same mistakes. 2. Reducing financial uncertainty. Finances can be a complicated and intimidating topic for many people. Discussing financial mistakes and how to avoid them helps increase financial literacy and confidence. 3. Building community and support. When people share their financial stories and experiences, it creates a sense of community. Knowing that others have gone through similar struggles and found solutions can be very motivating and encouraging. 4. Explore different approaches. One person's mistake can be a lesson for others. Discussing different approaches to financial management and their outcomes allows viewers to choose the best option for them. 5. Increasing financial literacy in the community. The more people are educated about finances and know how to avoid mistakes, the more stable the economy and financial environment becomes for everyone. So, discussing and educating ourselves about our financial mistakes helps create more informed and financially stable citizens, which ultimately contributes to economic stability and the well-being of society as a whole. Chapter 2: Budget Management Mistakes. 1. Expenses over income. This is perhaps the most serious mistake. If your expenses consistently exceed your income, you are either accumulating debt or failing to save. Planning a budget and sticking to it will help you avoid this mistake. 2. Lack of financial discipline. Not following a budget, not controlling your spending and not regularly tracking your financial transactions can lead to financial problems. A disciplined approach to financial management is important. 3. Failure to account for small spending. A lot of small, unnoticeable expenses, like coffee on the way to work, can add up and have a major impact on your budget. It's important to keep these types of expenses in mind when budgeting. 4. Not saving enough. Many people don't save enough for emergencies or future goals. With no savings, you may find yourself in distress when unexpected expenses occur or you miss out on a major financial opportunity. 5. Lack of a clear financial goal. If you don't know what you're aiming for, you'll have a hard time controlling your spending and savings. A clear financial goal helps you focus and motivate yourself to achieve your personal financial goals. 6. Using credit cards to cover daily expenses. If you regularly rely on credit cards to pay for routine expenses, it can lead to accumulating debt and paying high interest on loans. 7. Ignoring debt levels. Uncertainty about the status of your debt, loans, credit, etc., can lead to financial problems. It's important to know how much you owe and what your repayment terms are. To avoid these mistakes, it's important to regularly review your budget, keep records of financial transactions, maintain financial discipline, and have clear financial goals. Financial education and self-study can also play an important role in managing your budget and avoiding these common mistakes. Chapter 3: The Most Damaging Mistakes in Saving and Investing. 1. Not saving enough. Many people don't save enough for emergencies, retirement, or major financial goals. Not saving enough leaves you vulnerable to unexpected expenses and financial crises. 2. Misuse of savings. Some people keep their savings in regular bank accounts with low interest rates, resulting in a loss of potential income. It is important to choose the right instruments for savings that can generate returns above inflation. 3. Failure to account for inflation. If your investment strategy does not account for inflation, your money may lose its purchasing power over time. It's important to choose investments that can provide capital gains that outpace inflation. 4. Investment mistakes. A lack of knowledge and understanding of investments can lead to risky decisions and losses. This can include improper portfolio diversity, market panic, or inappropriate asset selection. 5. Improper investment timing. For example, investing short-term if your financial goals are long-term, e.g. retirement, or conversely, investing long-term if you need funds in the coming years. 6. Lack of a clear investment strategy. Investing requires a strategy and a plan. Lack of a clear strategy can lead to haphazard decisions and unnecessary risks. 7. Ignoring taxes. Taxes can have a significant impact on your investment returns. It is important to understand the tax implications of your investments and optimize your strategy with taxation in mind. To avoid these mistakes, it is important to become educated on investments, develop a clear financial plan that is appropriate for your goals, and to regularly review your investments to make sure they are in line with your strategy and current life situation. Chapter 4: Summarizing. To conclude this video on everyone's financial mistakes, I want to emphasize a few important points. 1. Mistakes are lessons. None of us are exceptions and we all make financial mistakes. It's important to remember that they should not be a source of shame or guilt, but rather an opportunity for growth and improvement. 2. Learning and self-improvement. Every mistake can be a chance to learn and grow. It is important to learn from your mistakes and strive to become more financially literate. 3. Conscious financial management. Good financial management requires discipline, planning, and education. Don't be afraid to discuss financial topics, study, seek advice from experts, and learn from the experiences of others. 4. Financial goals. Set clear financial goals and strategize to achieve them. This will help you navigate and focus on your priorities. 5. Community and support. Share your financial experiences and lessons with others. Create a community where you can discuss issues and support each other in your financial endeavors. Don't forget that finances are a long-term journey, and small steps can lead to big results. Managing your finances consciously and responsibly will help you build a more stable and worry-free future. I hope this video has helped you better understand financial mistakes and inspired you to adopt healthier financial habits. See you soon.